Hey guys, it's Jared back with today's daily trade recap, and today I traded one trade. It was a winner for me. It was on SPCE, so space, and I got to about 87% of my profit target. I'm just gonna go one and done today. It was a nice clean trade, and I've had a bad couple of days, so I'm happy to walk out of here on one winning trade. Those days always feel the best, especially on a Friday. So if we look at this trade, essentially it's just an ABCD pattern on space. You can say this is A, you can say that this right here is B. We kind of consolidate around here at C, and then we push up towards the $25 level for D. So a simple, very common pattern here. Goes up, pulls back, consolidates, maintains, goes back up. Then you can see again, you can also see on a smaller level, you see that same thing right here. You could say this is A, B, that's C, and then this is D. So ABC patterns present themselves all the time. They're probably the most common pattern, and the only thing you need to pair it with is making sure that you're reading the volume well. So on this, what I liked is not only the ABCD pattern, because ABCD patterns by themselves without also taking into consideration level 2, time and sales. So this is level 2, time and sales, and also volume. You can't make just a decision on the pattern. But what I saw is huge bullish volume. On the consolidation, we pull back on equal volume right here, which I don't love to see pullbacks on equal volume, but then we followed that back up with much more a volume increase right here on kind of a hammer where it wicks off, and then you see then it kind of stagnates again on lower volume, but we did get a higher low, right? So we're kind of forming on a really micro scale kind of a bull flag, and then the volume really starts coming in. So when the volume passed the previous candle right here is about when I got in, and I really liked my entry at 24.47. Took some partials up as we got to high of the day. That's really what these are. Then it pulled back down. I got concerned for a second here with this volume coming in, what was going to happen, and I didn't like that we didn't get a lot of bullish volume after that. So I took another partial here to be safe. Then when the volume started coming back in, we pressed above this level. We kind of converted. Once we got above this, I figured we kind of turned this level from resistance to support. So I went ahead and added what I took out here. I basically doubled my remaining position, partialed out some there, and then it kind of started bouncing around a lot. Volume started flying in, but I couldn't tell which direction. But I liked what I saw, so I went ahead and added. Then it started stagnating again. I did get a little spooked, so I went ahead and basically took this add back off the table. Then I added back in here for, I was really hoping we could push for 25.50, which is previous day close. That was my ultimate price target. So I added here hoping we could push for that, but the volume just really didn't come in, and we pulled back, and I stopped out at break even right there. But overall, really happy with this trade, and again, on a Friday, glad to have a green day after a couple days that weren't so clean. All right, I hope you guys had a good trading day too, and see you guys next week.